Hi everybody, we're here at the MFS Trade School in Sanford, Orlando, Florida, and we train and certify for virus disinfection as well as commercial kitchen exhaust hood cleaning. And we have students coming to us from all over the world. We have online classes. We've been training and certifying for the past 7 years. And it's our job to scout not only the United States, but literally all over the world and find great products, great equipment, and great chemicals, antimicrobials, disinfectants, and that can really fight against coronavirus as well as many other pathogens and microbes that are getting everybody sick nowadays. So today I want to tell you about a phenomenal product that is called the SURFACEGUARD. And the SURFACEGUARD gives you 90 days of antimicrobial protection against all kinds of microbes and pathogens. It is typically sprayed on. It can be sprayed on. It's very versatile. It can be sprayed on. It can be applied with a cloth. It can be fogged, and it's EPA registered. It's not on the N list, unfortunately, because it cannot go on the N list. It's actually a dry kill, so it doesn't kill like a regular disinfectant, but it kills like a product that coats and creates a carbon swords or spikes that actually is positively charged. So what happens is it attracts the virus, and then as soon as it sits on those spikes, it actually kills the virus. And that way it's called a mechanical kill, and therefore it's not a disinfectant. So when you use this product, you do have to use a coronavirus disinfectant that is listed with EPA on the N list, what they call the N list for killing coronavirus. And but it has all kinds. It's a 10-year-old product. It's been invented. It has a patent, and we resell it. We buy it by the pallets, and we resell it to our students at a phenomenal price. So we get it straight from the source. And we have reports here from comprehensive testing laboratories that show that it kills all kinds of microbes, viruses, and everything. But unfortunately, like I said again, it cannot be put on the N list of the EPA, even though it is EPA registered, of course. We have more laboratory tests. All these papers and PDFs on our website next to the product, so you can see for yourself. We have a senior center reference letter. We have a reference letter from another school. We have a reference letter from Crown Plaza Hotel in New York. This was dated back in 2010. So, coronaviruses have been around for a while. So here's another one from the Penn State University Wrestling Club. This product is a great product that you can put on mats. You can put it on soft and hard surfaces. So it acts as a two-step thing. So first you gotta use a coronavirus and listed disinfectant to kill the corona, and then 10 minutes later, as soon as it dries, you want to use the SURFACEGUARD to continue to give you protection against all kinds of bacteria and viruses and spores, from MRSA to influenza to literally coronavirus is not on here because it didn't exist back then when they did these tests, but it is a phenomenal product with great references and a great history. Like I said, it is EPA registered. It's water-based. It's colorless and odorless. It protects against a wider range of microbes. It's highly durable. It's non-toxic technology. Once it dries, so you spray it, 10 minutes, it dries. It doesn't come off with cleaning detergents or what have you. It will stay on a hard surface, a soft surface. It's biodegradable. It gives you long-term, up to 90 days of microbial protection. And it's literally a phenomenal product. Another one here, from another university. So we have them all here on our website. You can pull them off. It's a phenomenal product. It is very affordable. My recommendation is that you use it in conjunction with something like Vital Oxide, which again, you can fog, you can spray, you can do whatever. You can find that up on our website as well. But we highly endorse this project. It has a great history as an antimicrobial coating. And you can find it on our website at www.mfstradeschool.com. Again, www.mfstradeschool.com. You can call us direct at area code 407-732-4625. We thank you for watching. We welcome you to buy the product. Call us if you have any questions, and I'd love to have you as our customer. Thank you for watching.